think it's gonna flood.
Yeah. Well, at least I'm getting my hair done while it's doing all this.
Dang, that is pretty good hail.
Oh yeah, it's coming
Better
down.
to do? How big is it?
It's king-size hail.
It's
Yeah.
gonna, it can be damaging people.
Oh yeah. If you get golf ball hail. Huh?
It can gut your car and everything.
Oh, I know.
I know, I'm taking video of this.
Yeah, I might have hail tracks everywhere. Oh,
Look
that's
at your-
all rock.
Oh, look at your car! It looks like it's snow on your car.
I know,
That
but
is
look
snow.
at the size of that hail.
Ice.
They could crack my windshield.
Yeah. Crack everybody's windshield, right?
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, that's a lot. I bet you I'm gonna have hail damage all
Yeah.
over this car. Yeah.
How do you
I
come on
watched
like
the news.
that?
I didn't even. Wow.
How do you come on like that?
I
Maybe
am-
it was on top of the roof and the heavy rain is pushing it off.
Holy
Wow.
The wind is blowing it.
Wow. Well,
Oh, so we
I hope there's no tornado. I hope not.
holy cow, man.
And I can't get on the weather radar either because I have no service. So I can't find out. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna flash flood.
Stay away from the windows. Julia! Take a breath.
I've never seen it like this. Have you? I've never seen it like this.
Yeah, no,
You've never seen You've never seen it like this?
Not this bad.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the water in the truck.
Pull up your phone. Throw the radar.
I can't. I have no service. I tried to as soon as it started raining. As soon as like the power started flipping, I tried to go on service, but no, I don't have any.
Oh, that's all over my windshield. Look at all the ice on my windshield.
Yeah, I know, right? It looks like after like it looks like a snowfall, like after it snows, and like you have all that snow stuck to your windshield. But no, that's all hail. That's all little pea-sized chunks of hail.
My husband's in Weinberg. He says it's just powder right now.
It's what?
The wall just shook.
In Weinberg.
I felt the walls shake.
I said, oh, it is.
Oh, it's here.
I felt the wall shake.
You're right.
You got service or something?
Radar for Auburn, Georgia.
Okay, so you have service. Okay, we can find out.
I think I parked my truck in the wrong spot.
Yeah. Think you did too.
Is it getting more? This is what it looks like.
Oh, look at all that mud.
So no, you do your thing.
Now you do your 30.
Oh, it's right over the
Sorry,
top
baby.
of this.
Yeah. Did you get any pictures of it?
Can I squeeze in right here? Do you mind?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you don't have to move. Baby. I just don't want you to like be weirded out that I'm standing next to you.
Oh, I don't really care.
That's not us, but how can I get further down?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here it goes.
It's terrible. I've never lived through something like this. It literally looks.
Yeah, we're all in purple.
Watch yourself for a
What is-
second.
How big is that?
That little bento hood.
Yeah, that's how. Some of
That's
them
like
are.
as big as that could crack your windshield.
Duh.
Yeah, it's melting right now. Yeah,
I have an entire video. I'm posting this to YouTube.
yeah. They're all different. They're all different.
They're huge.
Oh no!
Yeah,
man,
this
what-
is called.
oh my God! What's going on? Oh my God!
Did you get any pictures of the ice?
No.
I do.
I have an entire video.
I want to send it to Raquel.
So then get out there in the rain.
Oh, no.
And it's June. I've never heard of anything like even like this happening in June of all months. The hail's gone, pretty much gone now.
See your truck. Oh, there it is in your truck. Don't move, Tabitha.
I can see a dang.
Oh yeah, see it melts as fast as it comes, but it's when it's coming it does all the damage. Right, Dad?
Oh, it looks like I can't really. I don't know for sure, but it looks like it does look like you have some dents from the hail. And just look at all that mud.
Me? Yeah, I'm done. It's your turn now. I like that.
Dang.